Guys, this is Mike from B Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the TOZO T6 wireless earbuds. Hey guys, thanks for checking out today's video. This video is brought to you today by our partner Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile is a premium wireless service that has plans as low as $15 a month, and with the price being that low, I was able to save a lot of money monthly, in which I was able to enjoy going out to the movies more and watching certain movies with certain superheroes from this guy. You can get high-speed data and unlimited talk and text on the nation's largest 5G network. You can even bring your own phone along with your current phone number and existing contacts without sacrificing anything. Switching over is easy, whether you order a SIM kit from Mint Mobile or if your phone has an eSIM. If you're interested in trying out Mint Mobile and saving a lot of money, check out the links in the video description, and thank you. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So again, today we are opening the T6, the TOZO T6 True Wireless Stereo headphones. So I already kind of took them out of the package here. So I wanted to kind of get the unboxing going really quickly. But again, just to let you guys know, these do come in different colors, right? I'm not sure if they sent me a black one or whatever. I mean, the box is black. But it says again that on the website these are $29.99. So again, I will be posting the product link in the description for you guys to check out. Again, these are IPX8 water resistant, so not completely water, I guess water repelled, but again, you will have some degree of water resistance to them. Especially, I see someone that is going to the gym or working out wearing these items. So again, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Out of the box, you do just get this nice little white case. Ooh, okay, hold on. That was my bad. It was a little bit slippery. Let's see what type of cable this comes with. I would assume a Type-C cable. Yeah, it looks like a Type-C cable, which is good. I think that's... I mean, we shouldn't be seeing any, micro USB charging cables anymore. But that's what it is right there, guys. Micro USB charging cable right there. Not too bad. I'll go ahead and leave that in the box because I have plenty of USB Type-C charging cables. Why did I say micro USB, guys? I don't know. I'm tired. It's been a long day. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside here. So I think it's cool that they do give you like a little QR code that you can scan here. Probably just gives you more information about the actual item itself. But let's go ahead and just pop that off. Obviously, instructions probably come in here, which probably won't be too hard to figure out. Most of the time, once you open these, they go into default mode, and you get to sync these up with a pair of headphones. So check that out really quick. So I did get the white version. I got a little I guess, what do you call it, not distracted, but thrown off because the box is black. But again, I didn't really look at it. I guess if you guys look on the side, these are the colors that it comes with. You can see here that it comes in pink, kind of like a goldish color, a green, blue, white, and a black color. They sent me the white, which is no problem with. This is actually probably one of my first white pair of headphones. So pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and pop these out really quick just to kind of give you guys a look. I didn't see any other, like, I guess extras. Usually they come with extra little earpieces. Here, actually, let me go ahead and open the box up again, because a lot of times they actually do come with them. Okay, it does look like it does come with extra little earpieces. Sometimes, they don't fit too good for some people. So let me try opening the other side really quick. Sometimes they might be too tight or too snug. Some people like them to feel a little bit looser. So let's go ahead and get that open for you guys really quick. And I tend to lose these all the time, actually. Not lose them, but... Okay, let's pop that out. Here we go. We can get that going here. There you go. Okay, I just ruined the box, and that's what I didn't want to do. But again, it does come with several earpieces from the looks of it. Kind of hard to see here since the package is not really translucent here. But let's go ahead and just open this really quick. And then, just to kind of show you guys again what it comes with. Again, it does come with those little earpieces. They're all in the packaging there. So it looks like it comes with several, which is good. Honestly, kind of shocked that this hasn't just turned on. But I guess you probably have to remove these little strips here first. So I'm going to remove that one. And then I'm going to pull the other one out. And I'm going to remove the other one. And then we'll go ahead and sync this up. I'll show you guys how to sync this up. I'll probably use my tablets to show you guys. Just because, let's see, there you go. You see how that turned on now? You poke it, and then It just pops out there. There you go. It's magnetic, so it just pops in. Or at least I thought it would. Let's see. There you go. So both of them popped in pretty quickly. Let me go ahead and take these little pieces of plastic off. I'm assuming that there is some sort of touch, some sort of, I guess, little sensors that you press here that allow you to maybe punch through the next song. But let's go ahead and bust out my tablet really quick so I can show you guys how to connect these things. Okay, so the little tablet is here, guys. If you guys haven't checked the unboxing for this tablet, check it out, guys. This is the Acer Iconica Tab, and this is actually going to be the first Bluetooth, I guess, headset that I pair. So let's go ahead and pair a new device, right? Again, there's going to be some different items. I'm going to pop this out really quick. Boy, there you go. Let's see if it pops out for you. See if there's any type of syncing going on here. Let's see. Pop this out really quick. There we go. TOZO T6. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that out. And I'm going to put one of them in my ears. Allow. Okay, I'm just going to put pair. See what happens here. And it looks like both of them are paired up now. So I'm going to go ahead and pop one in my ear. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so I did want to show you guys what these look like from side to side, just so you can kind of see what they look like. I want to actually play something on here. They are on, so I want to probably try to play something for you guys. You probably won't hear it, obviously, but I'm going to probably add some no copyrighted music to here, just so that we can play it, and then we'll get that going for you guys. But so far, they're pretty comfortable, honestly, and they are kind of not soundproof, but they do block out the outside sound, so I can tell right away that you won't hear a lot of what do you call it, outside interference when having these on, just because again they are a little bit not, like I said, not soundproof. I can still hear myself talk, but there is some degree, a good amount of damping to where you cannot hear the outside. So let's go ahead and play something for you guys. Alright, we are on NCS Sounds page, so let's go ahead and see if we can get this working or not. Okay guys, so I'm lowering it just a little bit over here, but I can tell you right now that these headphones, they have a very good rich tone to them. Let me go ahead and pause this actually, because I can't hear myself. So these headphones, they have a very good rich tone to them. The bass sounds extremely good on these. Actually, I'm actually kind of quite shocked how good these sound as far as the bass. It just sounds very crisp and clear. So actually, these are probably one of the better pairs of, I guess, Bluetooth little earpieces that I've actually ever listened to. My only thing is I'm not sure if I'm putting them on right or not. Obviously left and right as far as that goes. But again, they're comfortable. They're not hurting my ears normally like the ones that you would get in other pairs. There you go. I think I have that on right. I think I had it on backwards on this side, but regardless, both of them sound really good. Let me go ahead and wrap this up for you guys so that you guys can check out the items here. Alright guys, one other thing that I failed to mention at the beginning of this video is that these the wireless case does charge wirelessly. So if you have a Qi charging pad, this is actually, well, this is one that I use for my iPhone, but if you just throw it on there, see if it lights up or not. There we go. So you see how it's charging there wirelessly. So if you have any type of Qi charging or wireless charging stations at your house, you can definitely use that in the as a charging method, right? A lot of phones now have reverse wireless charging, so if you need to do that, then you can do that, right? The cool part is, again, I failed to mention this at the beginning of the video, is that these headphones are supposed to have 45 plus hours of battery life. Again, plus the wireless charging, Bluetooth 5.3. And again, guys, pretty nice little headset. Again, you can order the little charging, the wireless charging station from the website itself. I'll go ahead and again link you guys up so that you guys can check that out. Let's see. Okay, it says 45 hours with charging case and 10 hours on a single charge. Okay, so you guys will probably get only 10 hours on a single use, but again, with the case fully charged, you put it back, charge them a little bit, and it'll be good to go, for the rest of your workout or trip, you know what I mean? So again, anyone that's interested in this, I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Please smash the like button, and again, subscribe if you guys like the content. Again, I'll go ahead and post up the link in the description for you guys to check out below. Thanks again for watching.